Have you gone to
I'm going
this
there, sir. Yeah.
github.com? So probably you can watch it later, sha. But creating of accounts is
Mm,
not that difficult, sha. It's just it's normal way of you create account for a new user. But please, when you are creating an account, that place of a recaptcha, use audio. Audio is faster than looking for that their recaptcha this thing to check. We just go for audio.
okay, okay. All right.
So you click on sign up for a new user. So you have to fill this form here. So they will take
Okay.
you on. So they will now link it to your Google. You have to fill some this thing on. So you can see because I already
Okay.
have an account. They just
Account.
put me
Okay.
there directly. So this is my GitHub account. It is not always saying it's black like this.
Okay.
So how do you change your team
Okay.
settings? Click on your image. You will see appearance. Then when appearance open, you can see different theme settings: the white, black, stuff like that. So
Mm.
me, you can see that I'm using dark. This is what I'm using. All right. So
What?
that's why
Yeah.
you see the environment is dark. Now, first of all, let's look at how do you go about projects. They gave you a project to do, or everybody, all programming language are on GitHub. Flask is on GitHub, Flutter, Java,
Yeah.
JavaScript, PHP, all of them they are on GitHub because we have this is where programmers meet. They put their repos. They want to uh, contribute to the community for other people to learn from their code. So this is what they do here. So you can see these are some of the work I've done before that I dropped here. So this is my own aspect of it. Now you are working on the project. Let's
Okay.
say I gave you a project topic. I said, Michael, your project is, or somebody said, I am working on decision of inventory management. Now,
Amazing.
the question you ask yourself, which programming language do you know? Which programming language can you use? Yes, Python can be used to do that. So when you go to your GitHub environment, what you are going to type here is going to be uh, inventory management, inventory management, SQL,
Yeah.
SQLite. So this is what you inventory management with Python and SQLite using taking time. I think that's also what we also this particular topic. It's a very common topic though. You go,
Okay.
you check all the repos. Like this one now is having 0 star. All of I think that's all. But notwithstanding, you can't get all your code, all your application on GitHub. I don't know if you guys you can customize it.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay.
you can edit the code based on you understand the syntax of the program. Do you get?
Okay.
And then you can even add your own functionality if the case may be. But this is just to give you a leverage grant so that you are not working from scratch or
And if you do this, you have to be online.
no, yeah, you have to go to GitHub first. When you get to GitHub, just listen. Then I'll show you what you do next.
Okay.
Then
Yeah, okay. Okay, sir.
this
So
are
it's better be
huge.
recording. You have to watch it again. No?
Is recording now. I think it's recording. Look at it. So the recording now.
Okay, sir.
So are huge. This is a huge. I use as an inventory management system using Python and taking time, featuring CRUD. We talked about CRUD. Create, read, update, and what delete. Operation seamlessly
Mm.
what integrated with and what SQLite. This is what we want.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? So you click on it.
Yes, sir.
So when you click on it, you also see some documentation. The project is simple inventory management system built using blah blah blah. It allows user to manage inventory items including add up. Hmm? You stocking, you sell product.
Okay.
That's what inventory is all about. Then they say add multiple items. That's what you can do on the application. Predefine items, quickly fill items, export to CSV. I hope you know CSV is Excel format. All right, it's
Except
Excel
for my
format.
yes, yes.
Yeah, it's in rows and column. So export to CSV. Database storage is using SQLite. Class inventory
Mm-hmm.
management,
Class.
ints, routes. So this person is telling you that this is a class-based project. Thank God I saw that. The UI component calls create it. So the person gave a proper documentation of the project. Now you see the percentage of programming language used.
Oh, yes.
100% was
Thank you.
Python. All right, 100% Python. And maybe there's JavaScript or every other thing there, or HTML you see there. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on this drop down arrow. And some people they like to get it from clone repo, but this is the shortcut. If you don't know how to do this one, go to your VS Code. I don't know if I should do this one, but let me do this one first. Just click on download.
Okay.
So when you click on download, they will download the source code. It's now here. So let me go down. I think I should see down there. So this is what I just downloaded. All right, I'll copy it. So Python. NHF. So when I paste it here, the next thing for me to what? You have to extract it because this is zip file.
Unzip.
So you have to unzip it. So I'll extract it here. So when I extract it, you see this folder here. If you open it,
Okay.
you'll see some things there. Then you have to open this folder with your VS Code. Open with your VS Code. How's this thing open now? It's no, it doesn't.
Mm.
So let me just see. Let me just manage it to where it's coming up like this. So the next thing you need to also do again is to, this one has a readme file. You can go to the readme file and see what is going on. So I just started this one now. So this is the inventory management. These are what was. This is the main file.
I can see it.
So this is the main file. This part here is the main file. So you now and is warning. So it means that that particular module is not actually what install. Remember I told you how to install a module with pipe install followed by the module name.
Yes.
Pipe install followed by the module name. So the reason why you are saying that this thing is telling me that all is well. So on your system, if you try to use this type of a project, this CSV may flag error for you. So what you just need to do is to run pipe install C. I don't know why.
Yes, I get, sir. Yeah.
Review. I went through with my this thing now. Just have to inspect. So the next thing I'm going to do, we did all of this now. We did all of this now. We did all of this. Save the. This is a class. The class name is inventory management system. When we are talking about object-oriented programming, that we talk about inheritance of a class. You notice that we are always passing dev init set. So if you are in a class, please pay attention to this. If you are in a class and you are defining a variable, you must pass this self. It's not but it's better you use self.root equals to what root. Do you get it? Like what's going on here now? The person you can also say predefine underscore items equals to the bot. since it's
Okay.
inside this class, it's going to be self.predefined underscore item because that's what you are seeing. That's why you are seeing self everywhere because it is inside. All of them, they are inheriting from the class. So for you to verify this program, you click on play to run it. Like I said earlier, if there is error in the so you can see that I don't have error here because CSV is already installed. This is very important too because you may get a project whereby the module is not inside your machine. It's not installed inside your Python machine. So this one will, like I said, this one will give you yellow, which is warning. If you try to run it, it will tell you this module is not found. So just know that it's not installed. You just go to your terminal and click on pipe install the module name. Is that okay? So let me see how this thing is working. This is just a basic program though, so you should know what's going on there. I think I saw this code
Yeah.
on the project just now. I saw it there. Yeah, this is where they did it here. You can see this is the
Mm-hmm.
they're using from Tickintown import TTK. Yeah, that's a
Combo
combo
box. Yeah.
box, message box, then file that's alphabet shows down. I want to see it. What's showing on this alphabet now? I'm seeing A B C D.
ABC.
A B C D. Item A predefined item with what? With their costs. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
this is where this one is coming from.
Yeah.
So okay. It means that you have to modify this part because let's say the person like this is a manual method. So this is supposed to be added. Just click on this, then add the cost. It's not like this. So let's see. Let me check another one. D is 40. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say I want to add another item here. Let me add another item still on the ABCD. This program is very basic. Number remark good. This one the remark is also good. Then I'll click on add words, add item. You can see the item is
Okay.
added on this my inventory there. You can
Mm-hmm.
update item. Click on this to update. So if I click on updates, so I can change the item. Let's say I turn this on to an E has been what updated, or the price. I can change the price. Let's say the price has been changed to 500,
Mm-hmm.
5,000. I click on save. You can see the price has also what changed. Then let's say you can delete item. Let's say I want to delete this particular item. I click on what delete. You can see that you
Mm-hmm.
have to align before you delete. Then
Yes.
export to CSV. Click on this. It will generate the CSV file for you. Where are you dropping it? Let's say I'm dropping it in my environment, Python, Python. Uh, Python. This is your class. Then I have something like this. No, no. Let me just drop it here. So I'm dropping the CSV name there. Save it. So it has been exported successfully. If I go, I think this is where I put it just now. Refresh. I call this CSV. It's not here. Alright, let me close this thing and see what's going on here.
And you see, it's not like the one heading got now. The landlord should have to speak to the landlord directly. If not, you speak to the landlord, the agent will put that house at 2.5. But that's the way you need to see a certain side. You understand?
Okay.
So, you got 1.8.
I'm not seeing the CSV file. Let me run it again. Can you hear me? It's showing in inventory management. Okay, this is where I went to put it on inside the inventory management. So this side here, this is where I went to put it. This is it here. You can see that this is like an Excel file. If you open it, it will open it.
Yes,
It will open like an
yes.
Excel inside your environment. But the application is too simple for my kind. Are you seeing it? Item one, cost, number, remark, this thing. So all you just have to do is to go through the code. There they use a text widget. Let me show you what happened there. Let me run it again. So this thing that you are seeing here, this one that you are seeing here is actually, please give me time, let me just on join because this my system want to go off now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello? Hello?
I'm here, sir.
Alright, so it's actually a text widget. See where they call the text widget here. Where did they call the text widget? TTK the combo box, TTK the entry, TTK the dot entry, entry. This one is grade, cause the grade, entry, TTK the combo box. These are the headings. Alright, I think that thing is a tree view. This thing that you're seeing here is a tree view. This part, I think we have done something like this where we report record. A.tree view, self.root. These are what you are seeing on the column. All this you are seeing on the column. So if you want to change something, let's say I want my cost to be in naira, I don't know. I want my cost to be in naira or dollar. I'll just pass in dollar here. If I pass dollar here, I save my program. Let's say I stop this one, then I will run it. You see that there will be a dollar sign beside that cost. I run it again. Okay. Now you can see that I'm having a big fat error. I have a space there. Let me run it again. Line 2, invalid column index. Okay. So what happened there is that these particular values, they were being indexed here. So it means then hello. right? So column index trivu dot heading columns name costs. Hello? Dollar. I have to have this one also to be what? To be dollar. So then this my value here, this one should also be what? Dollar. So uh, yeah, I think it's okay like this. Then I have something like this. Total costs. Total cost is going to be uh, somebody is buying number. Wow, this is 34,434. So let me edit so that I will be able to do some things here. 2 save. So the cost of 2 when it is 20 is going to be what? 40. So the same thing I will do here, edit. I'm buying something like 4. Buying 4. So the cost of 4 is what is that? Hello? The cost of 4. You can add item, probably want to add multiple item. Can be high.